do you see the future of graphene in computer engineering in the next few years?
The first thing to say is that the graphene as a replacement for CMOS for building microprocessors is a very, very, very long way off. And the reason for this is graphene itself, monatomic layer carbon, has no band gap. Okay? And if it has no band gap, it won't switch. If it won't switch, you can't make computers from it.
How do you see a DNA-based computing as a competition for neural networking-based computing?
I don't know anything about DNA-based computing. People have proposed biology-based computers for some time, but I don't see anything coming out of there that looks remotely competitive with standard silicon-based computing. Because you can't get the complexity. You can't manage the complexity. You can do very simple functions. But biology is also slow. Okay, so the thing you can get in biology is massive parallelism. So you can have a bucket full of bugs, and they give you huge parallelism. But as I tried to explain in the talk, parallelism is one of the things we just have no idea how to use.
So we have to choose only one in science discipline, or take two, maximum 3 parts of science and combine it. So if you were nowadays on our place, what part of science would you choose?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. Because of course well, firstly, of course, I will contradict your premise. You don't have to choose one and stick with it. Okay? So I was a mathematician and an aerodynamicist and then a computer scientist, right? Computer engineer. So I changed discipline. Well, going from maths to aerodynamics was a fairly small change, because I was a fairly theoretical aerodynamicist and I'd been a fairly aerodynamical mathematician. But moving into computers was a big change. So you can change.
The lecture was so fine. I loved everything about it. He actually gave me something like an inspiration in life.
And he told us many things about telecommunication almost, and he talked about computers in the latest days.
Like, I wish I can also be like him. I can do something like him. As if coming up with such a project is not an easy thing.
It was like very interesting day, and yeah, very amazing day actually.
As in, it has something, it drives into my life.